South Africa's first black president, anti-apartheid hero and Nobel laureate Nelson Mandela died at 95. This was a man who knew how to use his time. Affectionately known as Madiba, Mandela spent 27 years in prison. However, his activism and career in politics did not end inside four cement walls. 4 years after being freed, in 1994, Mandela became the president of South Africa. Under his leadership, apartheid was dismantled. Institutionalized racism was replaced with racial reconciliation. He was hailed internationally for his activism. Mandela became an icon of democracy, social justice, receiving more than 250 honors, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. We must use time wisely and forever realize that the time is always ripe to do right. What time is it for you? Flow and find out.